Panasonic microwave model NN-S431BL error codes. This 1.0 cubic foot, 1000-watt microwave oven is perfect for an active family whose appetites light up on different timetables. It includes technology that eliminates the pulsing of 100% power and idleness to achieve different power levels and instead offers true multi-power settings. Preparing meals on the 12-inch turntable is made simpler by the control panel's offering of 5 food categories available at the push of a button. Features include an auto reheat button that permits reheating of foods by simply entering the number of servings up to 4. Auto defrosting. A quick minute button for adding to preset cooking time. The oven weighs 23 pounds. Its interior measures 1378 inches wide, 878 inches high, and 1418 inches deep. Its exterior measures 2018 inches wide, 12 inches high, and 15316 inches deep. Fred Brack. Error codes. Code H99. Problem: inverter on-off control error. Code H98. Problem: magnetron no oscillation error. Code H97. Problem: inverter input error. Code H96. Problem: inverter custom IC error. Code H95. Problem: inverter input failure. Code H90. Problem: power down controlled by inverter thermistor. Code H44. Problem: keyboard switch failure. Code H39. Problem: steam heater thermistor failure. Code H32. Problem: magnetron thermistor failure. Code H30. Problem: oven thermistor failure. Code H02. Problem: memory IC error. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code H00. Problem: RAM failure. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code H20. Problem: steam heater open error. Code U14. Problem: no water during steam cooking. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code U40. Problem: no load operation. Code U65. Problem: power down controlled by magnetron thermistor.